Hey everyone, in this video we will be remembering some of the most famous WWE wrestlers, from legendary icons to rising superstars who tragically left us too soon. We will take a look at when they began their wrestling careers, how they passed away, and their age at the time of their death. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Yokozuna. Yokozuna stepped into the wrestling world in 1985, marking the beginning of a career that would span 15 years. With over a decade of experience in the squash circle, he made a lasting impact on the industry. Tragically, on October 23, 2000, he passed away due to pulmonary edema. At the time of his passing, Yokozuna was 34 years old. Number 2. Gary Albright. Gary Albright made his wrestling debut in 1987, dedicating 12 years to the sport. Known for his toughness in the ring, his career was cut short when he succumbed to a heart attack on January 7, 2000. He was 36 years old at the time of his passing. Number 3. Terry Gordy. Beginning his wrestling journey in 1975, Terry Gordy spent 25 years as a competitor, leaving behind a legacy of resilience. Sadly, he passed away due to heart failure on July 19, 2001. At the time, he was 40 years old. Number 4. Davey Boy Simms. Davey Boy Simms, also known as the British Bulldog, entered the wrestling world in 1978 and showcased his skills for 24 years. Unfortunately, his life was cut short due to heart failure on May 18, 2002. He was 39 years old. Number 5. Edward McDaniel. Edward McDaniel embarked on his wrestling career in 1961 and dedicated 35 years to the industry. His life ended tragically on December 6, 2002 when he was murdered. He was 53 years old at the time. Number 6. Kurt Hennig. Kurt Hennig began his wrestling career in 1980, competing for 23 years. His untimely death occurred on February 10, 2003 due to cocaine intoxication. He was 44 years old when he passed away. Number 7. Ray Fernandez. Ray Fernandez entered the wrestling industry in 1979 and entertained fans for 2 decades. On March 6, 2004, he lost his battle with heart disease at the age of 47. Number 8. Big Boss Man. Making his debut in 1986, Big Boss Man remained active for 18 years. His career ended abruptly when he suffered a heart attack on September 22, 2004 at the age of 41. Number 9. Eddie Guerrero. Eddie Guerrero started wrestling in 1986 and entertained fans for 19 years. Tragically, he passed away due to a heart failure on November 13, 2005 at the age of 38. Number 10. Christopher Candido. Christopher Candido began wrestling in 1990 and built a career spanning 15 years. His life ended on April 28, 2005 following complications from pneumonia surgery. He was 33 years old. Number 11. WWE Earthquake. Debuting in 1987, WWE Earthquake wrestled for 17 years before being diagnosed with bladder cancer, which led to his passing on June 7, 2006. He was 32 years old. Number 12. Jackie Paulo. Jackie Paulo's wrestling journey started in 1951, lasting an impressive 33 years. He lived a long life before passing away naturally on February 11, 2006 at the age of 80. Number 13. Bob Orton Sr. Bob Orton Sr. entered the wrestling scene in 1950, competing for 31 years. Sadly, he succumbed to a heart attack on July 16, 2006 at the age of 76. Number 14. Chris Benoit. Chris Benoit made his wrestling debut in 1985, competing for 21 years. His life ended in a tragic manner on June 24, 2007 when he died by suicide. He was 40 years old at the time of his death. Number 15. Bam Bam Bigelow. Bam Bam Bigelow stepped into the wrestling ring in 1985 and wrestled for 21 years. His life was cut short due to a drug overdose on January 19, 2007, at the age of 45. Number 16. Mike Awesome. Mike Awesome debuted in 1989 and remained active for 17 years. Sadly, he took his own life on February 17, 2007, at the age of 42. Number 17. Mike Bell. Mike Bell's wrestling career started in 1992, lasting 15 years. Unfortunately, he passed away due to kidney cancer on December 14, 2008, at the age of 37. Number 18. Ale Parkita. Ale Parkita began wrestling in 1990 and continued for 19 years. Tragically, he was murdered on June 29, 2009, at the age of 34. Number 19. Omega. Omega stepped into the wrestling industry in 1995, spending 14 years in the ring. His life was cut short by a heart attack on December 4, 2009, at the age of 36. Number 20. Lance Cat. Lance Cat debuted in 1999 and wrestled for 11 years. Sadly, he passed away due to mixed drug intoxication on August 13, 2010, at the young age of 29. Number 21. Giant Gonzalez. Giant Gonzalez made his entrance into the wrestling world in 1990, dedicating 6 years to the squared circle. Despite his relatively short career, his towering presence left a lasting impression. Tragically, on September 22, 2010, he succumbed to complications from diabetes. He was 44 years old at the time of his passing. Number 22. Randy Savage. Randy Savage, an icon of the wrestling industry, began his journey in 1973 and entertained fans for 27 years. Known for his unmatched charisma and intensity, his career remains legendary. Sadly, on May 20, 2011, he lost his life to a heart attack. He was 58 years old. Number 23. Brad Armstrong. Brad Armstrong entered professional wrestling in 1980, showcasing his talent for an impressive 31 years. A respected competitor in the ring, his life was cut short when he suffered a heart attack on November 1, 2012. He was 51 years old. Number 24. Paul Bearer. Paul Bearer, known for his chilling presence in the wrestling industry, stepped into the business in 1974, spending 3 years as an active wrestler before transitioning to a managerial role. His impact remained undeniable. Sadly, on March 5, 2013, he passed away from a heart attack. He was 58 years old. Number 25. Viscara. Viscara debuted in 1991 of destruction and dominance into the ring, a force to be reckoned with. He made a lasting impact on wrestling fans. Tragically, he lost his battle with a heart attack on February 18, 2014. At the time of his demise, he was 43 years old. Number 26. Ultimate Warrior. The Ultimate Warrior burst onto the wrestling scene in 1985, thrilling audiences with his high-energy performances for 23 years. His legendary career came to an end, and just days after his final WWE appearance, he passed away from a heart attack on April 8, 2014. He was 54 years old. Number 27. Roddy Piper. Roddy Piper, one of the wrestling grotesque personalities, started his career in 1972 and entertained for nearly 4 decades. His contributions to the industry were immeasurable. Sadly, on July 31, 2015, he succumbed to a cardiac arrest. He was 61 years old. Number 28. Dusty Rhodes. Dusty Rhodes, the American Dream, stepped into the wrestling world in 1967, competing for an impressive 40 years. His legacy remains unforgettable. Unfortunately, he lost his life to kidney failure on June 11, 2015. He was 69 years old. Number 29. Ivan Koloff. Ivan Koloff made his debut in 1960, spending 34 years dominating the industry. A feared competitor, he left his mark on a professional wrestling. Sadly, on February 18, 2017, he succumbed to liver cancer. He was 74 years old. Number 30. Jimmy Snuka. Jimmy Snuka soared into professional wrestling in 1970, wowing audiences for an incredible 45 years. His high-flying style set a new standard in the industry. Tragically, he passed away from stomach cancer on January 15, 2017. He was 73 years old. Number 31. Matthew Anoa'i. Matthew Anoa'i began his wrestling career in 1994, dedicating 22 years to the craft. A member of the famed Anoa'i's family, his contributions were undeniable. Sadly, on April 17, 2017, he lost his life to a congestive heart failure. He was 47 years old. Number 32. Larry Hennig. Larry Hennig entered the wrestling scene in 1957, spending 29 years competing at highest level. A true veteran of the sport, his presence was legendary. On December 6, 2018, he passed away due to kidney failure. He was 82 years old. Number 33. Johnny Attitude. Johnny Attitude made his mark in the wrestling in 1994, entertaining for 24 years. His wrestling was filled with dedications and passion for the sport. Sadly, he succumbed to heart failure on June 12, 2018. He was 53 years old. Number 34. Bruno Sammartino. Bruno Sammartino, one of the wrestling's greatest champions, began his career in 1959 and competed for 28 years. His contributions to the industry remain legendary. On April 18, 2018, he passed away from natural causes. He was 82 years old. Number 35. Brian Lawler. Brian Lawler, son of Jerry the King Lawler, stepped into the wrestling in 1988, entertaining fans for 30 years. Sadly, his life came to a tragic end on July 29, 2018, when he died by suicide. He was 46 years old. Number 36. Big Van Vader. Big Van Vader debuted in 1985, bringing power and dominance to the wrestling ring for 32 years. A true powerhouse, his impact was undeniable. On June 18, 2018, he succumbed to heart failure. He was 63 years old. Number 37. Dynamite Kid. Dynamite Kid, known for revolutionizing wrestling, made his debut in 1975 and competed for 21 years. His fearless in-ring style influenced generations. On December 5, 2018, he passed away due to hypertension. He was 69 years old. Number 38. Jim Neidhart. Jim Neidhart entered the wrestling world in 1979, showcasing his skills for 37 years, a dominant force in tag team wrestling. He made his mark. Sadly, on August 13, 2018, he lost his life due to complications related to dementia. He was 63 years old. Number 39. Harley Race. Harley Race began a wrestling career in 1960 and competed for 31 years. A true legend of the sport, his toughness was unmatched. Tragically, he succumbed to lung cancer on August 1, 2019. He was 76 years old. Number 40. King Kong Bundy. King Kong Bundy stepped into the wrestling world in 1981, competing for 26 years. His massive size and agility made him a feared competitor. Sadly, he passed away due to complications from diabetes on March 4, 2019. He was 61 years old. Number 41. Shad Gaspard. Shad Gaspard made his wrestling debut in 2003, spending 17 years in the business. A heroic figure, he tragically lost his life on May 17, 2020, drawing while saving his son. He was 39 years old. Number 42. Rocky Johnson. Rocky Johnson entered the wrestling industry in 1964, competing for 27 years. A trailblazer in the sport, his contributions were groundbreaking. On January 15, 2020, he passed away due to a pulmonary embolism. He was 75 years old. Number 43, Luke Harper. Luke Harper debuted in 2003, spending 17 years in wrestling. A gifted performer, his career was tragically cut short on December 26, 2020. He succumbed to idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. He was 41 years old. Number 44, Paul Orndorff. Paul Orndorff debuted in 1976 and wrestled for 19 years. He lost his battle with dementia on July 12, 2021. He was 71 years old. Number 45, Tim White. Tim White entered wrestling in 1985. Sadly, he took his own life on June 19, 2022 due to alcohol abuse. He was 68 years old. Number 46, Scott Hall. Scott Hall debuted in 1984 and wrestled for 25 years. On March 14, 2022, he passed away at 63 years old due to complications from surgery. Number 47, Jerry Jarrett. Jerry Jarrett started wrestling in 1965 and spent 23 years in the industry. His life came to an end on February 14, 2023 due to esophageal cancer. He was 80 years old. Number 48, Iron Sheik. Iron Sheik debuted in 1973 and wrestled for 27 years. A wrestling icon, he sadly succumbed to cardiac arrest on June 7, 2023. He was 81 years old. Number 49, Lanny Poffo. Lanny Poffo entered wrestling in 1973, competing for 49 years. He passed away from congestive heart failure on February 2, 2023. He was 68 years old. Number 50, Brevard. Brevard debuted in 2009 and wrestled for 14 years. His life was cut short on August 24, 2023 due to a heart attack. He was 36 years old. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this tribute to the legendary WWE wrestler, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Wrestle Series Comparison. See you in the next video.